How do I find last year's AGI in TaxAct Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Then click on the sign in option. Now, if you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking on the create account option. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and your new account will be created. Then on this sign-in portal, you simply have to enter your username, then enter your password, and now click on the option of agree and sign in. Once you have been logged into your TaxAct Online account, you want to head over to the section of previous year's tax return. This is going to be labeled as prior year return. Once you are in your previous year return, look for the section called Adjusted Gross Income AGI. It is found in the first page or the summary section of your return. If you are not able to locate it easily, you can simply search for Adjusted Gross Income on the search bar. This should highlight where it appears in your return. Once you find your AGI, make note of it for use in your current tax year. If you are still finding any difficulty while finding the AGI from last year's return, you can contact the customer service of TaxAct for assistance. They will guide you through the process or provide you the instructions to find your AGI. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.